Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to use the logical jump feature in WhatsForm. It lets you create forms that change based on each person's answers, so users only see relevant questions. For example, choosing anti-aging shows anti-aging questions, while brightening leads to brightening-related ones. To set this up, open your WhatsForm dashboard and select the form you want to edit. Before you start setting up logical jump, make sure all your questions and pages are ready. Here we have the starting page with the decisive question. Then we have two other pages added, one for anti-aging and the other for brightening. Time to add the logical jump. Hover over the question that decides the flow and click on this button that says Open Logic. Now you can choose a condition based on the user's response and decide which page they should be taken to next. In this example, users who select anti-aging will be directed to the anti-aging page, while those who choose brightening will be taken to the brightening page. One important thing to note, for pages like the anti-aging page, which are not the last page in your form, you need to set up a logical jump to skip the remaining pages. How do you do that? Every page comes with its own logical jump. So click on the logical jump for that page and choose Submit Form. This ensures that your WhatsForm will end right after that page and won't show any of the pages that come after it. Alright, let's publish the form and test it out. If we select brightening and click Next, we'll be taken to the page with questions related to brightening. If we go back and change the answer to anti-aging, clicking Next will now take us to the anti-aging questions page instead. And that's how you set up logical jump in WhatsForm, helping users see only what's relevant and boosting form completion. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.